Welcome to this video instructional program in which you are going to learn about the general procedures for dismounting and mounting ball and cylindrical roller type anti-friction bearings. In this program, you will learn the general and most acceptable procedures for removing and installing bearings using normal workshop equipment and tools. The four methods that will be covered in this program are using mechanical pullers, using a hydraulic press, using hammers, drifts and dollies, and using thermal devices. Other methods involving specialized equipment will be described in further Tech AV productions. Let's begin then as we describe and demonstrate typical dismounting procedures using mechanical pullers, which are suitable for most bearing types up to approximately 100 mm internal bore diameter. The principle of dismounting a bearing is to provide a large enough force directly against the ring to be dismounted. Force must never be applied in such a way that the rolling elements are placed under stress. A suitable tool is selected that will permit force to be exerted directly against the ring and thereby not place the rolling elements under stress. In this demonstration, a two-legged puller has been positioned in such a way that the inner ring only is contacted. Many shafts have a countersunk center drilling, which is now used to accommodate the pointed end of this puller's forcing screw. To prevent the puller turning when force is applied, hold the main frame as shown here. The bearing is removed by turning the forcing screw with a suitable spanner. In this example, the cup of a tapered roller bearing is tight in the hub. To demonstrate the removal of a cup, we shall use an internal puller. The puller legs are fitted in such a way that the lips catch behind the cup. There are usually notches in the hub which allow room for the puller legs. Adjust the legs to maintain firm contact against the hub. Then screw out the cup with the forcing screw. In the next demonstration, the bearing cannot be pulled directly against the ring. In this case, a two-legged puller and puller plates have been arranged in such a way that force will be applied to the component directly behind the bearing. Whenever using a pulling device, never hammer the end of the forcing screw. This can cause personal injury, shatter a bearing, and also damage the puller. Always ensure that the puller is set straight onto the work and that the legs or the knife edges are well positioned behind the component before applying force. This will reduce the risk of damage and a possible accident. Now we suggest that you get in a little practice, after which you will learn about using a hydraulic press for removal of bearings.